Hi, there's Dr. Haya from Holistic Health, where we use chiropractic, acupuncture, nutrition to help sick people get well and help well people stay healthy. In this video series, we've been talking about the correlation between posture and longevity, better health and a longer life. In today's video, I want to focus on a term called text neck. Now that might sound silly to you, and I thought it was kind of silly when I first heard about it some years ago. But the thing is that as I started to see patients come in with this, I realized it was an actual real thing and a real issue. And let me explain what that is. So in this drawing, you can see that we have three curvatures. We have the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar curvature. And the ear of the head is in alignment with the pelvis, keeping our body straight and lined and balanced and in proper function. But what can happen, especially if we're spending a lot of time texting on our phones or looking at our phones or tablets, and you know what, now that I think about it, not just the younger generation, but people who are sitting on their computers all day for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours in a bad posture or poor posture can actually cause distortion to their spine. Instead of having a normal curvature, we'll actually start to see a straightening or a reversal of that curve in the cervical area. And it also causes additional stress here in the thoracic region because there's increased stress in the muscles of the neck and the back. And some symptoms of that could be headaches, fatigue, pain in the neck, pain in the back, some things like that you might see. And oftentimes when people come in with complaints like that, when we take x-rays, we'll see this distortion there. So if you or somebody you know are experiencing headaches, back pain, neck pain, things of that nature, and think that perhaps your ergonomics and your posture could be contributing to that, it's really worth getting an evaluation to see what can be done to improve that situation. And as we've been talking about before, our posture can have a correlation to our health and longevity over the course of our life. So if you like this video, do me a favor, like, comment, and share, and help get the word out so that we can help more people in our community. Thank you.